In this episode, we'll be talking about how to use the economic calendar to bias your weekly profile. So let's get straight into an example. This is an example of a week on the hourly chart. As you can see, we start off on Monday with London manipulating on this day and then distributing down to these lows right here. And as you can see, we have no news on Monday, no news on Tuesday, but we have CPI on Wednesday and PPI on Thursday. And as you can see, without looking too ahead, you can see we have this volatility injection from this news event. So before we jump ahead, let's just diagnose this week one by one. So on Monday, we had a London manipulation down to these lows. And on Tuesday, you can see we had a New York delayed protraction tapping into this fair value gap and rejecting off these order blocks as well. And we created the low of the week off of that rejection as we tapped into a higher time frame PDRA over here, and we swept all this liquidity here, allowing us to set ourselves up for the low of the week. The two no news days before the CPI can really show how there is a short-term retracement back down, and this allows us for time distortion to wait for our volatility injection. And as you can see, the news event is a high volatility injector, and we take that volatility and we skyrocket up to these highs. And as you can see, on Thursday we have PPI, and that acts as a volatility injector as well, as we have a major retracement down into these inefficiencies, and we reject back with SMT and a higher time frame SysD, and we go back up, and this allows for our high and our low and close. You can see the days with high impact news drivers, they are the highest probability and allow us to have the best setups with the most likelihood of distributing rather than accumulating. So the days with high impact news are the days we look to trade, and the days with no impact news are the days we try to avoid, and it makes no sense to try trading a chop with no drawn liquidity. On this high impact day, we had distortion and manipulation of the week, created a Tuesday low of the week, and a Wednesday reversal right here. And we had clear buy side liquidity targets and engineered liquidity for us to run through. This is how you can apply the economic calendar in your trading and your weekly outlook, and understanding that these high impact news are the most important days to be trading, and understanding they give the best entries and highest probability setups.